Today I am reviewing the ASUS ROG NUC Gaming Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been testing the new ASUS ROG NUC for the past 2 weeks, and I think we finally have a mini PC that actually lives up to the hype of being a legitimate desktop replacement. It is rare to see this much raw power packed into a 3-liter chassis, but ASUS has managed to squeeze in an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and an RTX 5070 mobile GPU without the machine melting down on my desk. If you're curious about the current pricing or want to see the specific configurations available, you can check the links I have included in the description below. Let's start with the gaming performance because that is the only reason you would buy this thing. The combination of the new Series 2 Intel chip and the 5070 mobile GPU is genuinely impressive. I spent a lot of time playing titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Black Myth Wukong at 1440p, and the frame rates were consistently smooth. The DLSS implementation here feels snappy, and the AI-driven performance boosts are noticeable compared to last year's models. It handles high settings without breaking a sweat, which is wild considering the footprint is smaller than a stack of hard covers. However, it is not all perfect. While the quiet flow cooling system with those 3 fans and the vapor chamber is surprisingly effective at keeping the system stable, it does get audible when you really push it. It is not a jet engine, but you will definitely know when the GPU is under a heavy load. If you are someone who plays with open-back headphones or keeps the PC tucked away, it might not bother you, but if you want silence during intense gaming sessions, you might be slightly disappointed. The design is classic ROG. It looks sleek, the ARGB lighting is tasteful rather than overwhelming, and I really appreciate the tool-free access. Being able to pop the top off with a thumbscrew to upgrade the RAM or the SSD is a massive quality-of-life win. Most manufacturers make you fight with tiny screws and hidden clips, but ASUS made this very user-friendly. If you want to see if this fits your current desk setup, feel free to use the links below to look at the dimensions and the latest specs. The real question is who this is for. If you are a professional who needs a compact workstation for video editing or 3D rendering, and you want a game on the side, this is a fantastic choice. It is a premium piece of hardware, and you are paying for that miniaturization. If you are a student or someone on a tight budget, this is probably not for you. You can build a much cheaper mid-tower desktop with similar performance if you have the space for it. The ROG NUC is a luxury item for people who value their desk real estate above almost everything else. My biggest gripe, beyond the fan noise under load, is the price-to-performance ratio. You are paying a significant premium for the NUC form factor. You could get more raw power for your money if you went with a traditional desktop build, but you would lose the portability and the aesthetic appeal of this unit. I also found that the port selection, while decent with Thunderbolt 4, is a bit tight if you have a lot of peripherals. You will likely need a high-quality hub if you're a power user with multiple monitors and external drives. Overall, I think ASUS knocked it out of the park for the niche they are targeting. It is reliable, it is fast, and it looks great on a clean setup. If you have been waiting for a mini PC that doesn't feel like a compromise, this is it. Just make sure you are okay with the fan noise and the premium price tag before you pull the trigger. Again, if you want to see the latest pricing or check out the full technical breakdown, those links are waiting for you in the description. It is a solid machine, but it is definitely a specialized tool for a specific type of user.